we use the anchor tag to navigate between web pages. Besides that, we can work with different type of file format with the anchor tag. So if I go to the file menu here, you can see in our first folder we have our index.html file. I have a files.zip file, a mp3 or audio file. Then I have a Word document which is intro.docx. Then I have introduction to HTML, which is a PDF file. Then I have a video which is nature.mp4, and I have one picture which is pic1.png. This nature.mp4 video I downloaded from pexels.com. The owner of the video is Dojong. You can check his contents. And this mp3 I downloaded from pixabay.com. The owner is Gregor. So let me close this file menu and let's see how the anchor tag behaves with different file format. So I'm gonna write the anchor tag, and in between the opening and closing anchor tag I'm gonna write view picture. Then in the href attribute I'm not gonna give a path of a web page, but I'm gonna give a path of a picture. So the path would be /, then we have the picture which is pic1.png. Let me save the file. You can see we have the link view picture. Let me zoom this a little bit so you can see properly. You can see the link view picture. Let me maximize the browser. Now let's see what happens if I click on this link. So click on this. You can see our picture got opened in the browser. If I minimize the browser, you can see we have our picture, and where the picture is not available, it has black background. You can see if I minimize the browser, where the picture is available, you can see the picture, but where the picture is not available, you can see a black background. So browser opens the picture in a full window or the full page. If you use the anchor tag and give a path of a picture in the href attribute. Let me make this browser a little bit bigger. Then as the anchor tag is an inline level tag, so I'm gonna use the break tag for a new line. Save the file. I will go back to the home page. Now let me write the anchor tag again. This time I will give a path of an audio file. So /, we have the audio which is gregor.mp3. Then in the opening and closing anchor tag I'm gonna write view audio. Save the file. You can see we have another link which is view audio. If I click on this audio, you can see the audio starts playing in a new page and it has a black background. It opens the audio in a full screen or in the full page, where you can see the audio starts playing. Let me minimize the browser and go back. Let me write the break tag again and the anchor tag, and this time I will give a path of a video which is nature.mp4, and the hypertext would be view video. Now if I save the file, you can see we have another link which is view video. It will open the video in a new page. You can see the video starts playing in a full page, and where the video is unavailable, that place has background color of black. Let me go back, write the break tag again, then anchor tag, and this time in the href attribute I'm gonna give a path of a Word document which is intro.docx, and that text would be view Word document. Save the file. We have the link which is view Word document. If I click on this link, you can see the browser downloads that file which is intro.docx. So the default behavior here is the browser will download if we give docs file in the href attribute. Let me write the break tag again, then anchor tag, and this time I will give a path of a zip file which is files.zip, and the hypertext would be view zip file. Save. You can see we have the link view zip file. If I click on this link, you can see the zip file is also downloaded by the browser. So if we give docx file or zip file in the href attribute, the browser will download those files. Let me add the break tag again, then anchor tag, and this time I will give a path of a PDF file. So I have a PDF which is introduction to HTML.pdf, and the hypertext would be view PDF. Save the file. You can see we have the link view PDF. If I click on this link, you can see the PDF got opened in a new page. Let me maximize the browser so you can see properly. You can see here is a preview of the PDF, and here is the reading version of that. So we can zoom out, zoom in here, we can rotate the PDF, then we can fit to page, then we can fit to width, any other features, you know. Then here is a page count, we can hide the menu, then we can download the PDF file by clicking on this icon, we can print the PDF, then there are many other options. So let me minimize the browser. So this is how the anchor tag behaves differently with different type of files. You can check with other type of files with this anchor tag and experiment that how it behaves. It is a cool trick and used heavily in web development. So I hope you understood these concepts in depth. So that's all for now. See you in the next one.